So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using Claude to build a GTA 6 cash cow channel, and I'll take you from a blank page to an uploaded video in this one sitting. And this is the channel right here. It's about 80 days old and it's made over 440k views. Now, first off, why should you actually listen to me on this? Oh, because this one is running right now, and because GTA 6 comes out on the 19th of November, which is about 113 days from now, right? So this is not a thing I'm telling you to try someday. There's a date on it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I want to show you is the mistake, because almost everyone's telling one of these does the same thing. They pick subjects or topics nobody actually cares about. So look at this, right? This one video right here did 157,000 views, talking about how GTA 6's economy will not work like GTA 5. And then I made the exact same video again, same voice, same footage, same everything, and I called it GTA 6 cheat codes might not work like GTA 5. 614 views, right? Same time to the same channel, and it's not even close. And the reason is obvious once you see it. One of them is about how you make money in a game people are going to play for 1,000 hours, and the other one's about cheat codes. So the whole job here, and I mean the whole job, is just finding subjects people are actually going to live inside. Money, police, cars, property. Which edition you're buying in November, that's it. And that's the part I ran out of, which is exactly why I'm using Claude for this now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over to Claude, and I'm going to connect to the channel recipe MCP. Now, if you've never done this before, an MCP is basically just a way of letting Claude talk to the live data instead of guessing from whatever it saw in training. So you go ahead and paste this in here, and boom, it's essentially connected. And that took about, 40 seconds? And you only ever need to do that once. So now that that's done, let's actually ask it something. So I'm going to go ahead and ask it which subjects are pulling numbers in the GTA 6 niche right now that I haven't covered yet. And as you can see, that's coming back with actual subjects and the channels doing them, right? So this isn't Claude like making things up. It's actually looking at what's live in the niche today. Now, obviously, you don't just take the top one. What I like to do is scroll down and look for the ones that passed that test I showed you earlier. So is this something someone's going to spend 100 hours doing in November, or is this just a random cheat codes video? So we can choose this one and we just roll with this one. So now that we've gotten the subject, I'm going to go ahead and get this script written. And this part is very important. So I'm going to go ahead and have Claude run the actual research and then write this script for me. And that's basically it for the script writing, right? And that took about 20 minutes from opening Claude to having this in front of me. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. I do read through it and change some things. I think you should as well, because if 20 people watching this generate the identical video off of the identical subject, all 20 of those channels have a problem, right? So use it to go faster on your own take. Don't just use it to skip having one. So yeah, the site is shamanrecipe.com, and the discovery part you just watched is completely free, connecting the MCP, pulling the subjects, all of it. Your first thumbnails are free as well, and I've already loaded the GTA 6 niches in there, so it does something useful the second you plug it in. What's behind the subscription is the volume, the script generations, and the batching, which is basically the difference between 3 videos this week and 15 videos a week every week before November. So links in the description. Anyway, so now that we've got a script, let's go ahead and make the actual video. So I'm going to do the thumbnail first, and the reason I do it first is that in this niche, the thumbnail is basically doing all of the work. So boom, we're going to attach a reference image, and just like that, as you can see, that looks pretty good and it's ready to go. Now, this is the one part of the packaging I'd actually spend time on, because everything else you can be fast about, right? But if the thumbnail is weak, none of the rest of it actually matters. So now let's come over to the editor, and this is where people massively overthink it. There's no filming in this, right? You're just talking over gameplay. That's the entire format. Nobody is clicking these for a video essay. They're just here to look at GTA 6 while someone tells them what's coming. So The first thing is the voiceover. You can either read the script yourself or you can use an AI voice right here inside on the recipe. And honestly, both work fine on this channel.
Hashtag overanalyzing every inch of the GTA 6 map. Target length around 10 minutes. Word count around 1,864. What if I told you that Rockstar just accidentally revealed the entire structure of Grand Theft Auto 6 through one single map leak, and nobody's talking about the most crucial detail hiding in...
And then the footage. So what you want to do is to get GTA 6 trailer, GTA 6 gameplay, and have it grown underneath the whole thing. And anytime you're comparing the two games like GTA 5 and GTA 6, which you will be doing consistently, you're going to go ahead and cut across the GTA 5 gameplay for that section and then come back to just straight up GTA 6 clips. That's it. One timeline, footage underneath, voice on top, done. And I did overcomplicate this at the start, right? I've spent hours on the either for the first 5 or 6 videos and it made zero difference to any of them. So learn from that and just leave it alone. So now that that's exported, let's go ahead and guide you how you can come up with the titles and all that. So the title is just a subject said really plainly. That's about it. For the description, I just green in the title, and then I'm going to add a couple of tags. You really don't need to go overboard here, and that's it. Upload. So that's the whole thing. Find the subject people are actually going to live inside, get the script, thumbnail, talk over the gameplay, and upload. And do it now rather than in September because this niche runs in events, and the events are already on the calendar, right? Trailer 3 hasn't even been earned yet. Then they're going to start reviewing the game. Then there's going to be the launch day, and then the week after launch, which is going to be the biggest week this niche ever gets. So you've got 113 days, and that date's not moving.